In this video, I'm going to show you how to create looping TikToks in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, what we want to do is open up CapCut. Once you've done that, you want to either create a new project or continue with an old project. But for this video, I'm going to create a new one. And I want to get, say, this video to loop. So I'm going to click on this and click add. Now I've got the video in here. So in order to make this video loop over and over again, what we need to do is click on the video. At the bottom of the page here, we've got an option to say duplicate. So we'll find duplicate. There it is there. So just keep pressing that as many times. So put as many duplicates as you can inside the editor here. And once you're happy with that, go ahead and click on next to export, click on the resolution. So we want to make sure we're going to download it in high definition, so either 2 or 4K. I want to keep it 2K, keep frame rate as high as possible, and also the code rate. And then from there we can go ahead and click on export, and now that's going to export it to your mobile device. And then you can upload that video to TikTok, or you can even upload, if you've got your TikTok connected to your CapCut application, straight from CapCut. So I'll show you how to do that. So now it says ready to share. So now I'm going to click on share to TikTok, or on the bottom here, find TikTok. So click on share to TikTok. It's going to move that video over to TikTok. And click next, put in the description, add some hashtags, and then post it, and then you're good to go.